Hello and welcome to another fifths video. Today we will give you 5 passive income ideas to help you earn money even when you're sleeping. But before we get into the passive income ideas, I think it's a good idea to first clear up a couple of myths. Although the word passive makes it sound like you have to do nothing to bring in the income, this just isn't true. Also, if you are looking for be a millionaire fast, then this is not the video for you. All passive income streams will require at least an upfront cost of your time or money. Now that we have that clear, why don't you subscribe and be part of the Fifths family? Also, if you found value in this video, please smash the like button. What are we waiting for? Let's get those ideas rolling. Idea number 1, start a blog. The most important method for generating passive income is to start a blog. Blogs can generate a tremendous amount of income, but not quickly. If you plan to start a blog, that it's going to take a vast amount of work and time to succeed. Regardless of your niche, as long as you have a clear understanding of things like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and the ability to write high-value content, then you will succeed with a blog. Once your blog becomes popular, it can provide you with the platform and audience to generate multiple streams of revenue by marketing relevant products and services to your visitors. By having built a following, you can start embedding links from your affiliate partners or brand sponsorships in which could generate you a good amount of income even when you're sleeping. Idea number 2, start an e-course. Do you have a technical skill? Artistic skill? Good at math? Then convey that skill to others out there while generating a healthy passive income stream. Creating an online course on Udemy, Skillshare, and other platforms is a great way to automate some of your cash flow. However, like any other income stream that's passive, it takes a significant amount of effort on the front end. There are so many things that can be taught through an online course. You can teach how to play an instrument, teach another language, teach how to create a website, or better yet, teach how to make money online. The possibility is truly endless as long as you give your students quality content. You are good as gold. Once you have uploaded the course, you can leave it there and see it generate you extra cash. The good news is, it could generate income even after a few years, given that it is a class that is evergreen and of quality. Idea number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is likely one of the most powerful ways that you can produce multiple passive income streams. However, this isn't easy by any measure. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a large following of users. In other words, you need a big platform and audience. You can do this on multiple platforms such as Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, and of course YouTube. When you don't have a platform or audience, you need to run ads, which can get costly, but if you know what you're doing and you're a seasoned internet marketer, then you'll succeed. This passive income idea takes time to learn, but still, this is a great way to sell products and services that you don't own, invented, or produced yourself. Effectively, it's like becoming a broker while earning a healthy passive income stream. Idea number 4, make YouTube videos. YouTube is a great resource for earning a large stream of passive income. While it's not easy, and it will effectively take millions upon millions of views, to earn some semblance of a real income from this stream, YouTube does offer a very cost-effective avenue to market. Research what the most popular YouTubers are doing. For example, Blippi, which is a kids series created by creative entrepreneur Stephen John, helps to teach children about all types of subjects and has become one of the most popular YouTube series in its niche with over 500 million views in the past couple of years alone. Seek out successful people and try to replicate their formulas while being unique. When you have grown your following on YouTube, you can also use this platform to incorporate some of your affiliate links, offering you more ways to earn passive income. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Idea number 5, sell videos or photos. Another avenue for passive income is to leverage photo selling websites such as iStockPhoto and Shutterstock to earn money while you sleep. Clearly, you need to understand photography and things like Photoshop if you're serious about succeeding in the photo selling business. Video selling in 4K is also becoming more and more in demand, which you can also get into if you love and have the skills in videography. There's a lot of competition when engaged in this line of work. However, if you have a knack for photography and video, then selling your photos or video online should come almost naturally to you. Get really good with photo editing software and find your niche. Whether it's portraits, landscape photography, business photography, or something else, find it and stick to it. We came to an end of another video. Before we say goodbye, what passive income stream would you like to try? Let us know in the comments below. As always, take care, and we will see you on another fifth video.